What is walking meditation?
Walking meditation is a mindfulness practice that combines gentle movement with focused attention. Unlike seated meditation, it fits seamlessly into busy routines, allowing you to cultivate calm and clarity as you move. By bringing awareness to each step, you can ground yourself in the present moment and turn even a short walk into a restorative experience.
Why choose walking meditation?
Walking meditation offers mental refreshment without needing extra time in your day. It's perfect for those with packed schedules or anyone who finds sitting still challenging. This practice can help reduce stress, improve focus, and create a sense of calm that lasts beyond your walk, all while you're in motion.
How to start? Find your space.
Begin by choosing a safe, quiet place, indoors or outdoors, where you can walk for a few minutes without distractions. It doesn't have to be far. A hallway, path, or backyard works well. Pause before you begin, take a deep breath, and set an intention to focus your attention on each step.
The step-by-step practice.
As you walk, pay attention to the sensation of your feet, lifting, moving, and touching the ground. Walk at a natural, relaxed pace. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the feeling of your steps and your breath. Try for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing simply on movement and presence.
Integrating mindfulness into daily life.
You can practice walking meditation on your way to work, during breaks, or while running errands. The key is bringing mindful awareness to your movement, even if it's just a minute or two. With regular practice, you'll find yourself calmer, more focused, and able to manage daily stress with greater ease.